What I have next to me is Fernando Alonso's McLaren Elva. Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm currently in our Hatfield studio with a couple of things I'd like to tell you. Number one, Hatfield is actually now open to the general public, meaning you as a retail customer can bring your car here. Whereas before it used to be a trade-only site, it's now actually a retail site too. So make sure if you do live in the surrounding areas to pop in and check this out. Second thing I want to talk to you about is this phenomenal McLaren Elva. And there's a few fun facts about this car actually. The first being, probably you wouldn't know, is that there's 149 of these actually made, and we have PPF all 149 of them at the factory. So we were commissioned by the McLaren factory to do every single one of these cars as part of their PDI process essentially. And there's another cool fact about this particular car, is that this actually belonged to Fernando Alonso, proven by the fact that there is a signature on the back where the engine bay is, which is very, very cool. To be honest with you, I love a couple of things about this car. I love the fact that it hasn't got a windscreen, which is very epic, because I think this is actually one of the lightest McLaren cars ever made. So it's actually one of the cars that they wanted to make as light as possible. Probably helps the fact that there isn't any glass or any perspex for the windscreen or anything else like that. But then you may be asking, what is going on? How could you be driving this car without a windscreen? So this, the active air management system, which is what is referred to by McLaren, actually comes up at 43 miles per hour, and it's supposed to help you have calm air in the cabin whilst you drive in the car. So you're able to actually drive without windscreen, with this up, and you're supposed to feel less air in your face. That's the idea. Fun fact, in some countries, you actually have to have a windscreen, so they've made the Elva with a windscreen, which doesn't look as good in my personal opinion. But yeah, from a design perspective, it's a phenomenal looking car. From a performance perspective, 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. And to be fair, it's one of those cars that is going to be literally in the history books. So this particular client actually sends all his vehicles to Topaz Hatfield because he actually likes the fact that it's closer to him. And I honestly think that it's one of those things where people now have the ability to come here. So I highly suggest, if you haven't done already, and if you're in the area, do pop in, have a chat with our teams, and check out Topaz Hatfield, because it is now, as mentioned earlier, open to the general public, meaning that you can bring in your car and it can be in this facility to be detailed, paint protection, color changes, etc., etc., etc. So anyway, I hope you really enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it for you guys and coming here and show you around. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.